Hi there, students. Slapstick. Slapstick. Okay, this is a type of humour. This is where the actors are normally hitting each other by accident, or throwing things, or knocking things over, or falling over. So, for example, Charlie Chaplin or Laurel and Hardy. Both of these are perfect examples of slapstick humour. The joke with the long plank of wood, and one person is carrying this plank of wood, and they turn round and they hit everybody with this plank of wood. That is slapstick. Mr. Bean is slapstick as well. Okay, so slapstick, it's a type of comedy where the jokes are absurd mishaps or pranks, the actor slipping on a banana peel. This is slapstick humour. It's comedy with horseplay and different physical actions. It's stressing. It's a comedy with lots and lots of farce. It's foolish. The actors are rough and foolish. So horseplay, buffoonery, knockabout comedy. This is slapstick. Slapstick, where the characters are hurting each other stupidly or doing silly things. It's exaggerated activity that goes beyond the normal boundaries of physical comedy. This is probably one of the earliest forms of comedy. The cinema before the silent films, this was full of slapstick, and all of the comics in that time used to use slapstick. The Three Stooges in America. This is very slapstick comedy as well. Let's see. There is maybe a bit of slapstick even in The Comedy of Errors by William Shakespeare. So slapstick is something that goes back. Now, the origin of the word is actually very interesting. A slapstick is also something that they used to use in the theatre. It's, for example, a bat or a stick, and there's another stick attached to it. And when you hit the other person, the second piece of wood claps shut on it, and it makes a very loud slapping sound. And it's a type of clapper, and this is something that they used to use in slapstick, or something that was used in slapstick for many years, because you hit somebody with it. You don't have to hit them very hard, but it makes a very loud bang. Yeah, and that is also a slapstick, and it's where the name slapstick comedy comes from, because the slapstick was used. This actually comes from an Italian word. It's a calque of an Italian word, batacchio, and the batacchio is a slapstick. It's this pair of sticks used by Harlequin in Commedia dell'arte. So slapstick. Formality. Slapstick. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think it's a word you could use anywhere. So slapstick. This is physical comedy where people are hitting each other by accident, slipping on bananas. Mr. Bean, Charles Chaplin, etc. This is typical of them, and it comes from this slapstick, this stick with another stick on it. So you hit someone, and it makes a very loud bang when you hit them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Slapstick.